Hi everyone, thank you for watching. I wanted to share with you an easy three ingredients pickle recipe, and these will be for fresh pickles like this or other vegetables you can also put in here. So I thought that looked pretty, and this just has dill as a seasoning. So I will write the recipe below, but I'll also tell it to you. So it's 1 cup of water. I use purified, and then 1/3 of a cup of I used apple cider vinegar because it says here live and beneficial probiotics. So this is a raw vinegar, raw and unfiltered vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So that's it. So 1 cup of water, 1/3 of a cup vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And I used it's called real salt. It's a natural salt that I can get here. I'm in Utah. And so you just put the water and the vinegar and the salt in, mix it up, and I added cucumbers and whatever seasonings you want. I put dill in this. I did like how it tasted with just out any seasonings. I liked it better with the dill, and probably onion or garlic would be really yummy too. So this has celery and red sweet peppers and cucumbers, and I think I might add some onion to this. So that's that easy recipe. Please subscribe, and thank you if you have subscribed and like. Love you. Bye-bye.